Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying eligibility. Confirm Google Voice is blocked in your current country on your account. Next, connect to a reliable VPN with servers in a supported country so Google sees a permitted location. Make sure you have a local phone number in that country and a payment method accepted there. These are often required for verification. Once connected and prepared, proceed to adjust account settings and location indicators so Google can accept the registration attempt without flagging it. Now create or adjust the Google account region to match the supported country while your VPN is active. This alignment matters because Google checks regional signals. Sign in with the account, and when prompted, verify using the local phone number you prepared. Receive the SMS or call and enter the code. Add the payment method issued in that country if asked. It reduces friction and verification failures. Make sure cookies and location permissions are cleared or consistent so Google does not detect mismatch. Once your account is verified, enable Google Voice while connected to the VPN and choose a number in the supported country. Complete the on-screen setup and immediately test inbound and outbound calls and SMS to confirm functionality. If something fails, make sure your VPN is stable, your Google account region remains set to the supported country, and the verification phone number still works. If issues persist, disconnect and reconnect the VPN. Re-verify the phone and retry. Many problems come from mismatched location signals or expired verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.